activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Lake, Nevada, Placer, Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Butte, Glen, Western Plumas, Shasta, Tehama, and Eastern Trinity. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming.
As you can see, I got the strobe light going, and you're probably wondering which radio it's hooked up to. It's actually hooked up to the 519. As you can see, there's the input. So yeah, I decided to hook up the strobe light to the 519, and it works great. Take a look at it one more time. Okay. Well, there you have it. This has been this week's required weekly test. As you notice, so all the radios here are activated. And probably wondering what happened to my version 5. Well, I sent it to someone. And as you heard, I am getting a new radio. So be on the lookout for that.